They thought it was just salad dressing. They were completely wrong. In America, this isn't food. It's a cultural phenomenon.
Hello, I'm Lily and I'm trying the ranch for the first time ever.
Hi, I'm Julia. I'm from Germany and that's my first time trying ranch.
Let's try the ranch. It tastes really good.
Oh fuck. It's good. Wow.
So, as you guys know, he is German and he's never tried ranch before, so we got some. Grab a fry first. Taste it. Taste with a fry first.
Taste it with a fry first?
Yes.
Okay.
We have chicken nuggets and fries.
That's pretty good.
Okay. You gotta taste it with chicken. I'm so excited.
That's good.
Okay.
That's actually good.
Yeah.
What the hell are they putting in this shit?
I don't know, but it's delicious.
It's buttermilk. Water.
It's delicious. Crack.
It's actually good, yeah. It's good.
So, 0 out of 10, what would you rate it?
I would say it's an 8. Solid 8.
Alright, nice.
Fish finger with double ranch. I have never in my life tried ranch, so this is your chance to prove yourself, USA. First up on the roster we have the chicken dinosaur. Whoa. Dun, 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 dun. That combo is genuinely phenomenal. And I've got all these really classic British snacks. Wait, I actually have another ranch. Buffalo ranch. Which I'm gonna just try real quick. Ooh, damn. Ooh, that has a bit of a kick. I'll be honest, I wasn't really expecting this. Oh, here we go. Brainwave, check this out. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay, wow. Mother of all fish fingers. Fish finger with double ranch. It's like those videos. 5 minutes after having ranch. 10 minutes after having ranch. 1 week after having ranch. God bless America. Bloop, 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 bloop. Game changer.
Wingstop now have this massive ranch like the ones in America, and I'm all of a sudden craving Wingstop just because I want that big ranch. So let's go and get some. Okay, here we are. Can we do 12 pieces mango habanero, please? Can we get the big ranch, please? Thank you. Wingstop 12 fries. Churros, then 12 mango habanero. Mango habanero is now genuinely my favorite flavor. Some tenders. This is why we're actually here. This is what's brought me out of my house today. Look how insanely big that is. Look at the difference, like that. That's unreasonable, but in the best way possible. Like whenever I get Wingstop, I have to have at least 5 of these. So this is perfect for me. I feel like this is gonna make it taste better. I feel like this is really gonna elevate my experience. I'm first gonna try it with some chips. Okay, first sip. They've gone extra saucy, I swear.
Hello.
Babe?
You know some ranch ones? I think I like them.
Yeah, I'm happy. You can just order one of these.
Alright, oh yes.
I'm really happy with this. This is the best invention ever. I could drink it. All right, we're gonna have a tender.
Good round.
Jack's first time trying ranch, an American staple, as we all know.
It's supposed to be good
And this is good ranch right here. It's good ranch.
That's banging. That's really good.
Hell?
That's, we need this shit in the UK.
Yeah.
We need this shit in the UK.
Ranch, an American staple, babe. 10 out of 10.
I get
What's
it.
your rating? Your rating?
9 out of 10.
9. Okay, we're
Could be
missing
10.
more.
If it, for me, I could have that stronger, but that's just personal preference.
With dill?
A bit more dill, yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited for the ranch. So yeah, let's get stuck in. Okay, so I'm gonna try the ranch for the chicken tender. Oh my god. Oh my god, I've been thinking about this moment for a very long time. Right, here we go. Oh my god. Do you know what? The chicken as well. What a compliment to that ranch. I'm gonna get it right in. Wait, let me try again. It's heavenly. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. I think it may have beaten Hidden Valley. It's so good. It's so creamy. Oh, divine. So I've just had a lick of that wing. And oh my god, it's spicy. I can handle spice, but not that much spice. So I may put this one down just for now. A bit of the original with the ranch. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is a good day. This is a happy day. I got these with like lemon. Stunning. Sensational. Stunning. No other words could describe it. Beautiful. And now just with a fry, last but not least, it's a beautiful ranch. It's so creamy. It lives up to the expectation, and I'm a very happy girl.
Gonna be trying for the first time ever Hidden Valley Ranch. Or Ranch, whatever it is. Let's open this up for the first time. Ooh. Dunno. Testing it out on a bit of chicken goujon. Oh, come out fast. Oh, oh my days. Oh my god. It's so good. Now I know why you love it. Hill Valley Ranch, 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Oh wow.
I love the fact that Europeans are over here and they love it. They even the fact that they tried to sneak it through the airport is crazy.
And the king of condiments, not ketchup, ranch. Tourists are so hooked, they're trying to take it home. So much that the TSA had to issue a reminder that ranch is a liquid and you have to put it in checked bags.
All right, y'all. So anyway, make sure you check my other videos and subscribe to my channel. And I see y'all lovely people. Y'all take care. Peace.
Oh my god. Oh, it's so good.